Now, with the new projector, let me grab that and let me show you this hooked into place, because we do also want to adjust the projector, which you'll see. All right, so here we are kind of right side up. Here's the new projector. And you're going to want to put it in the same way, right? So this side is going to loop in with the little notches here, and we'll plug it in. Now, but there's a dial. If you notice, there's a dial right here, and this is controlling the lens of the projector. So you can actually orient the image on the ground to the orientation that you want to have. So as your door swings out, you can, in this case, you can see the BMW logo and the whole 9 yards. So let's go ahead and grab this here. We're gonna plug it in here really quick. Cable only goes in one way. You can actually see projected on my hand. You can see the logo. Now I should be able to kind of get this in here by hand. That the tail of the projector goes in the same orientation as the cable. We should be able to just fit it up and in here. Okay, but if you notice, it's a little bit faint right now, but you can see my orientation is completely wrong. It's turned this way. So this is why you don't want to just immediately snap it up into place. So I'm going to want to use that dial to turn the orientation of the image. So let me just see. So I'll adjust it around a little bit. Brief test fit. So that's pretty close. That's pretty straight. I might want to come back just a little bit. And again, this is really going to be on how you want it to be in the right orientation when your door is fully open. But there you go. That looks like good orientation of the image now. So I can take this, I'm going to make sure that it fits back really cleanly and just press it up into place, and you're done. So, and I love the way this looks. Now the projectors actually tend to maybe be a little bit dimmer than just the bright white puddle lights, but I really do love the way they look. And make sure to check out all the different options you have for those projectors.